Tomorrow is exam. What should I do? How should I be positive? Now, be positive, we are not talking about the blood group, you are correct, but how to stay positive, avoid negativity from within while you are appearing for your examination the very next day. Few important key takers you must remember. One, don't cram, don't rote memorize. Understand the concept well, and that's one of the ways you can actually be positive when you are appearing for the examination. The second thing is don't create panic at the last moment. That means don't be late at the examination center. Have a good sound sleep before the examination. Another important marker is don't spend extra time with your colleagues, your classmates, because that would generate stress. Stress in the sense that you would be able to, you might think that I'm not able to complete this section, my friends have did this. Last day you cannot do a lot bundle of it. So it's a good idea to stay away from your colleagues, classmates, closer to your examination. The next important thing is have a clear vision about yourself. Don't expect too much. You know your own caliber, you know your own level. So don't expect that you would be able to get 100% in your examination. And lastly, this is a test. So don't think this is something to test you. So if you are thinking in that way, that would generate a negative effect. So don't think it is a test on yourself, rather think that it is just a test that you are appearing for. And that thought process itself makes a considerable difference in the way you approach and go for the examination. So wish you very good luck for your upcoming examinations. Be positive.